The definitive peak or solar maximum of solar cycle 25 occurred in October 2024. At its peak, the cycle reached a maximum smoothed sunspot number of roughly 161. The highest unsmoothed, that is raw, monthly sunspot count happened slightly earlier in August 2024, hitting a count of 216. Solar cycle 25 proved to be significantly more active than scientists originally forecasted. Back in 2019, the official solar cycle prediction panel projected a relatively mild cycle peaking around July 2025 with a maximum sunspot number of only 115. Because the sun's magnetic activity ramped up much faster and stronger than anticipated, the solar maximum arrived earlier than the initially predicted late 2025 window. NASA and NOAA officially confirmed the sun was in its peak maximum phase in mid to late 2024. The exact peak month of any solar cycle is always declared in hindsight. Astronomers calculate it using a 13-month smoothed sunspot average, which requires data from 6 months before and 6 months after a given month. Because of this formula, the true mathematical peak of October 2024 could only be definitively confirmed well into 2025 once solar activity had shown a consistent downward trend. While the sun has passed its primary peak, space weather events like solar flares and coronal mass ejections often remain elevated for a year or two following a maximum. Cycle 25 will now continue to gradually wind down, with the next solar minimum expected around 2030. That will be the time when our higher bands will go down and we'll have to go down to the lower bands like 80 meter and possibly 160 meter. Get ready for those long antennas or highly compromised short antennas for those bands.